Just a bit of extra footage on this rubber band gun. I thought I could only get 6 rubber bands on it because I couldn't turn the star backwards, but I've now found if you jiggle the trigger a little bit, you can actually get it to go back. You have to sort of jiggle it a bit. But I've now got, I don't know how many I've got on there. I'm seeing if I can get all, I think it's about 12 you can get on there. It's probably straining the mechanism. Oh, that should go on the next one. Just sort of jiggling it a little bit, and then I can get it to go back. How are we doing? Right, we're nearly there. Should be able to get 2 more on. Because you can see in there, you can see the band that I've already wound all the way around. Right, well, I'll set the camera up again. I shan't stand quite so far away this time, but we'll see. I think I've got 10 or 12 on there. Probably ought to be wearing eye protection. That one slipped. So, how many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I think. 12 shooter. And from that distance, quite accurate. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.